PhonePe and Google Pay have long been the default choice for hundreds of millions of Indians making digital payments. Together, they built one of the most concentrated duopolies in the world of fintech. But that dominance might be chipping away. For the first time in May 2026, their combined UPI market share fell below 80%, and in a market that processes billions of transactions every month, it could mark a genuine turning point. According to the National Payments Corporation of India or NPCI, the combined UPI market share of PhonePe and Google Pay fell to 79% in May 2026. That may still sound dominant, but it's the first time their combined share has slipped below 80% since NPCI began publishing app-level UPI data. Just 2 years ago, the two controlled nearly 86% of the market. Now, that grip is slowly loosening. To understand why this matters, we need to understand the scale of UPI itself. In May 2026, UPI processed a record 23.2 billion transactions worth nearly 30 lakh crore rupees. That's a 24% jump in volume from the same month last year. UPI now accounts for almost 86% of all digital transactions in India. It's the world's largest real-time interbank payment system. So when the market share needle moves even slightly, it means billions of transactions are shifting hands. Now, the timing here is worth paying attention to. Only 6 months remain before NPCI's proposed market cap rule is set to kick in. The regulation aims to limit the market share of any single UPI app to 30%. PhonePe alone sits at around 46%, well above the cap. The rule was extended by 2 years at the end of 2024 because implementing it proved difficult. But the latest data suggests the market may already be moving in that direction. NPCI has been accelerating approvals for new UPI apps. In 2024 alone, 20 companies received approval to operate as third-party UPI providers. The regulator has also explored giving smaller players access to new features and product innovations to help them compete. And it is beginning to show. Bheem, backed by NPCI itself, has grown its market share 5-fold in 2 years. Navi and Flipkart SuperMoney have together captured 5.5% of the market since launching. WhatsApp Pay has also grown steadily. The top three, PhonePe, Google Pay and Paytm, controlled 95.2% of all UPI transactions in January 2024. But by May 2026, that share had fallen to 87%. But let's keep the numbers in perspective. PhonePe and Google Pay still handle nearly 4 out of every 5 UPI transactions. So the duopoly is not gone. But for the first time, the data shows a clear, sustained shift. Smaller apps are gaining real ground. The regulator is pushing harder, and a major policy deadline is just 6 months out. Whether this becomes a genuine structural change or stalls is the question India's fintech industry will be watching. Follow Business Standard for more stories.